he's thinking.
Oh, what a great dog.
I did not expect that. He hates,
hey, baby.
if it's raining, he hates to go
Hey,
outside.
baby. Yes. Hello, how are you? Good dog.
I just talked to Kristen down the block. She said I feel like this needs to be an open house weekend.
Oh, I think it's a great idea. I think that's a great idea.
Really knock on everybody's door.
Okay.
And I feel like everybody just prepared a little bit too much probably with the food and drink this week.
You think?
That they might need to share.
Alright, well be careful. I know you'll be careful.
I don't know how long he's going to last.
Oh, he's having a blast though. Well, alright. That's the lizard in Baltimore.